Now here's a thought for you. Some people will tell me, hey, Video Joe, homeowners aren't supposed to do electrical. They're supposed to get a licensed electrician, certified electrical inspector, licensed professional electrician, blah, blah, blah. Okay, have I shown you anything on what to do with the power on? No, I turned the breaker off. We don't have any power to the 2 wires that were up there for the smoke alarm. The new wire that's coming from the new ceiling fan location coming over to there. I'm going to show you step by step how to get all that stuff reconnected before I even turn the power back on. Once I turn the power back on, everything should work according to how I put it back together. Okay, if you do things step by step, I think you will feel confident in knowing, hey, I'm just an average Joe. Video Joe is just an average Joe. You know, but son of a gun, he explained everything step by step. I should be able to do this. I should be able to install a ceiling fan, no problem. I thought I could never, ever install a ceiling fan. In fact, I called an electrician and had him install my last ceiling fan, and he said he did it for me as a favor, and he still charged me $250 to get that thing up there. And but it was an existing location where an old ceiling fan was, took it down, and I even bought the ceiling fan for him, and it still cost me $250 for the electrician to come out because I didn't know what to do. Well, if you just follow these things step by step, you should be able to learn how to do it on your own. It doesn't take rocket science to figure out how to put one of these together if you follow step by step. Plus, if you watch my videos, I'm going to show you I show you step by step pretty much how to put something together, and all I do is follow the directions. Not all ceiling fans are installed exactly the same, so that's why I have to look at the directions just like anybody else. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and don't forget 10. Okay, so I think you can do it. Okay, and you just do things. I've never had any issue with any of my ceiling fans I've ever installed, any of my ceiling fans I've ever fixed, wobbly ceiling fans, any light fixtures I've replaced, any dimmers I've replaced, any wall outlets I've replaced, installed, any wall mounted TVs I've installed where I've taken the electrical and fished a wire up the wall where I had to take that out, take the junction box out, fish a wire up the wall, cut in a new cut-in box behind where the electrical is going to be, where the coaxial cable is going to go. I've never had an issue on anything. You look at any of my electrical videos, if I post it, I think you can do it. Enough said. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.